Here's a news flash. Modern refrigerators are breaking down. There's anecdotal reports of refrigerators breaking down. Sellers won't service them. Manufacturers drag their feet on replacing them. Your great-grandmother's refrigerator circa 1960 was indestructible. Why did this happen? Well, first, refrigerators are much cheaper now. 1960, the average salary was $5,900 a year and the average refrigerator was $300. According to this source, that's 5% of your salary. Now, your salary is $65,000 and a boring refrigerator is $800. That's 1.2% of your income, except for no one buys a boring refrigerator anymore. Manufacturers found ways to make these things more cheaply. Next is increased complexity. 1960, it kept your food cold and lasted forever. Now it has to talk to your smartphone, filter water, ice maker, auto defrost, fingerprint resistant, and energy saving. This model with all of these features is 3.3% of your income, and it's still cheaper than great-grandma's. Why did this happen? You, the consumer, demanded it. The manufacturers found out that they could charge extra for it. Next is regulations. 1975, there were some energy-saving regulations. 1993, there were anti-freon. And in 2023, there are new energy-saving regulations. Manufacturers have to redesign everything. It's easiest to make the compressors smaller. It makes them have to work harder. No one cares about refrigerator life. Who cooked all of this up? The amorphous they. They have authority but no accountability. They run focus groups, influence politicians, decide we need more rules, and make a lot of other decisions. So to recap, everything needs to be cheaper. Consumers are demanding more features. Regulations are adding complexity. They prioritize you buying a new refrigerator rather than making your old one last forever. No wonder your refrigerator broke down.